In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a quote in Zoho Books. We'll go step by step from opening Zoho Books all the way to saving and sending your quote to a customer. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause or replay any section as needed. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Zoho account so you can access your organization's Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're in, you should see the main Zoho Books interface with a navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the different modules for your accounting tasks. Next, look for the section labeled Sales in that menu. This is where Zoho groups everything related to money coming into your business, like customers, invoices, and of course quotes. Click on Sales to expand or open that section. Taking a moment here to get familiar with the sales area is helpful because you'll likely come back often to manage invoices and payments as well. Within the sales section, find and click on Quotes. This page is dedicated to all of your existing quotes, sometimes called estimates. Here you can see any quotes you've already created, along with their statuses such as draft, sent, or accepted. Even if this is your very first quote and the list is empty, this is the central place where all future quotes will be stored and managed. Now that you're on the quotes page, look for a button that says New or New Quote. This is usually located toward the top of the screen. Go ahead and click New to start creating a fresh quote. This will open a new quote form where you'll enter all the details needed to send a professional estimate to your customer. On the New Quote page, begin entering your details. Start by choosing the customer you're sending the quote to. If the customer already exists in your Zoho Books contacts, you can select them from the drop-down list. If not, you can usually add a new customer directly from here. Then review or set the quote date and the expiry date so your customer knows how long the quote is valid. Next, add the items or services you're quoting for. For each line item, enter a description, quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. As you fill in these fields, Zoho Books will automatically calculate line totals and the overall quote amount. Take your time to verify that everything is accurate, including currency, discounts, and tax settings. You can also adjust terms and conditions or add a note to your customer, clarifying what's included in the quote or any special requirements. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, you're ready to finalize it, look for the option that says Save and Send and click it. Zoho Books will save the quote to your account and open up an email preview so you can send it directly to your customer. Here, you can double-check the recipient's email address, review the subject line and message, and make any small edits to the email content if needed. When everything looks good, send the email, and your customer will receive a professional quote generated from Zoho Books. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've created, saved, and sent a quote in Zoho Books, keeping your sales process organized and easy to track.